Now script is recording, so it is generating for the code. For here we can see for our host, this is our host 127.0.1. Apart from this, we have any Google or Microsoft, anything will be there. We need to just click on this one, right? Just unselect this button and we need to regenerate script. Means it will be fresh, will be regenerate the script without unused data. So then we are going to for the action part. So now we need to check for the entire script is recorded or not. We need to check. This is the launch one. So this is for the login. Jojo bin we are entered. So you can observe here. Jojo bin. This is the login part. And after that we can click on the flight. This is the flight part. And after that we are selected as a source and destination Denver departure and derive is a departure and derive this one. And after that flight selection we are selected as a, this is the outbound flight 042531 cost, and this is the date of the flight. And after this we are enter for the payment details, credit card number, we are entered address 1, address 2 and credit card number, and final step will be sign up. So we need to check for the entire script, and if everything is recorded, right? So we can observe, we can just, this is the launch one. So launch, or we can click the any button. So it will generate as a web URL function. Which function? Web URL function. We are entering the any data, or we are submitting any data, means we are enter the Jojo bin. So which function it is generated? Web submit data. See again, we can observe here. We are click the flights, search flight. Just I click the search flights. That's why it is generated as a web URL. And after that, we are submitted some data, like we are selected as a departure and arrive. Means we are submitted some data. That's why it is generated as a web submit data function. And after that, this is also we are submitting the flight. We are selecting the flight. So that is also we are submitting data. That's why it is generated as web submit data. And payment details also we are entered for the first name, last name, and address 1, address 2, and credit card number. So everything we are submitting some data. That is why it is generated as a web submit data. And final one, we what we done? Just click this sign up button. That's why it is recorded as a web URL function. Now you can understand, right? When it is generated as a web URL, when it is generated as a web submit data, right? So after that script recording completed, we need to look these steps, and after that we need to start our script enhancements. Sorry, anyone had that? Hello?
Oh, no, sir.
No. Okay. So then we need to start our script enhancements. Script enhancements, nothing but we have the correlation, parameterization, and some validation points. These are all be one by one we can discuss with. The first one will be, we can go with the parameterization. So what is parameterization? First thing. Parameterization nothing but static input to the server, or which are the values we are entering through keyword, those values we need to do parameterize. So what is parameterization? Is a static input to the server, or what are the values we are entering through keyword, those values we need to parameterize. So just anyone know for which what are the values we entered through keyword?
Login password.
Yes, that is the one thing. Login password we are entered through keyboard. That's why we can do for the parameterization username and password. Okay. Then after that, we can observe here in searchable button, we don't have any values because of we are not entering any data. And after that, we can select this one. Here we are entered anything data for here.
Yes.
No, we are not entering. We are just selecting. The drop down will be there. So we are selected as a drop down, but we are not entering through keyword. Okay. Then we can observe here. Here also we can selecting as a flight. And after that, you can observe here in reservation, we are enter a first name and last name and as the address 1, address 2, and passenger names and credit card number, and we have the date means we can date. So these are everything will be we can do parameterization. So just what is the parameterization? Nothing but static input to this server. Which of the values we are entering through keyword, those values we need to do parameterization. Is it fine?
Yes.
So first thing, so then this is the first enhancement is the parameterization. So just we need to do for the first one, what is that? Username. Just click on select that username. Okay. Right button, click on right button and replace with parameter. And we have to see, everyone will be able to see, right? Create new parameter. Okay, just click on create new parameter. After that, we need to enter the parameter name. Means which value we are doing? Username. So same thing we can give as a username, right? So same value we can give, because if anyone will give for this script to anyone, so he will also understand, okay, he done for the parameterization username. Otherwise, I given my name as a Kiran here, parameter name. So he will understand what is Kiran. It is a original name is a Kiran username, or it is a date for the parameters. You don't know. So that's why what we can do, we need to give for the what are the name it is there in here. So those value we need to pass it as a username param. I'm giving as a parameter name. What is that? Username param. And we have the here proper type of parameter types. We have different type of parameters, file and date and time. Date and time is what are the date and time we have. So we need to do for select as a date and time. And we have the group name, iteration number, and load generator. These are all will be there. So text type we need to select as a file. Which one? File. If it is a date means we can select as a date. So based on that, we'll explain one by one. But right now we can select as a, this is a text, right? So I'm selecting as a file as a parameter type. You can see original value be Jojo. Then after this is completed, we'll move to the properties. Click on properties. Now you can see this is the parameter type will be file, and this is our file name like username param. Last will be what will be there? Dot will be there. So means parameter extension file name is dot, DAT dot. Okay, what is the extension of the parameter? Dot, DAT dot, inter equation also. What is the parameter extension means? We tell as a dot, DAT dot. So after that, just we have create table will be there, right? You can click on create table. Then click on OK. See, it is a table is created. Now you can enter for the number of values means you can here enter Jojo 1, Jojo 2 means number of usernames will pass it here. And just after that, just click on save and click on OK. See, you can observe here username param. This is the name of the our parameter name. After that, these are the values, and we need to select here by number, column by name. We need to select by name. Select as a what is our column name? You need to select as a username param. And after that, we have the here different type of properties like sequential, random, unique, sequential, random, unique. And here we have the different type of like each iteration, each occurrence once. We can discuss later for one by one. Now just I select as a sequential each iteration, just to close it. And after that, we can click on OK button. It is, see, it is asking for that. Do you want to replace other occurrence of the string with this parameter? Means where it is a Jojo, so it will be replaced for the all the values it is in there in script. Just you can click on yes, means it will all the values will be replaced. So we can click on always no, because of sometimes in you can observe in reservation page also Jojo will become first name. So that's why we can always click on no. Only here only it is replaced. See, it is a parameterization done. You can observe.
Yeah.
It is replaced with what are the name we are given, username param. So this is the parameterization enhancements. Now we can select bin and click on replace with parameter and again create new parameter. And we need to give for the password param, right? Just you can give for the password param. Then this is the text type only, right? So we can select as a file and go to the properties, and this is the password param dot, and then click on create table and click on OK. And after that, what we done, we are enter for the some data bin 1, bin 2. Okay, then we are select by name. What is our param column name? Is a password param. So we need to select that one, password param, and click on close and click on OK. Already I told always will click on no. So this is the password. What we done? Two values we done parameterization, username and password. So just we can now we can execute. Before execute, just you can click on save button, and we have the runtime settings will be there. You can before start replay means execution, just click on replay runtime settings, and we have the different options will be there. We can go with the one by one later. So now I have selected as a log. Just you can see log is there, right? Log. In that log we have the two types log will be there, standard logs, external logs. Now we can select as the external logs, and we need to give for the parameter substitution and save it. Now we can go to the script. This is the execution button, replay button. Just otherwise you can click on F5 also. It is a replay the script. Just click on F5 or click on this one. So now script will be executing. So script will be paused, execution completed. This is only one iteration, means one time only it is iterating. So now you can observe here. See what value became Jojo bin. What are the values we passed here? It will come as a username Jojo bin. You can observe, right? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So this is a iteration one. So then again, you can go to the runtime settings. In run logic will be there. We need to give for the here given 3 iterations. Means business flow will be what will happen? Launch, login, and flight booking, and sign off will be 3 times will happen. So 3 times. So which are the values it is picking? We need to check it. Just save it and again replay. Now 3 times it will iterate. You can observe here also in runtime view also it's login and flight booking and so 3 times it is done. See. So 3 times it is completed. See now you can observe here ending iteration 3 means 3 iterations completed. We need to check for the each iteration which values it is picked. So username is a Jojo bin. This is the first iteration time. This is the starting iteration 2 means second iteration started. See here Jojo 1 bin 1 selected. Next term Jojo 2 bin 2. So iteration will be different values selected. Everyone got it right?
Yes.
This is the parameterization concept, and for that we need to explain for the properties types. So tomorrow we'll explain for the properties types and each and everyone. Today assignment will be each and everyone will be record the script, and after the record the script, do the parameterization for the username, password, first name, last name. I'm showing here. This is the first name, last name, and address 1 and address 2 and passenger and credit card, because these all details who entered, we only entered. That's why we need to do for the parameterization. So what is the our today assignment? We can record the web tour script. After recording, you need to check for the all the code if it is generated or not. After that, you need to check for the you need to do for the parameterization for the username, password, and first name, last name. Okay, and address 1, address 2, passenger, and credit card. Fine, right, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everyone understand? Can I tell again for one more time for the parameterization? Hello?
Okay, understand. Yeah, okay, understand.
Okay, then good. Okay, now I'm stopping the.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
టేబుల్ వాల్యూస్ ఇచ్చాం కదా సార్, అది మీరు ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూలో సేవ్ అవుతుంది.
అవును.
సో మరి కింద వచ్చేసినప్పుడు ఒకసారి స్క్రీన్ పైకి స్క్రోల్ చేయరా?
Okay, 1 minute. I wish.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కాదు సార్, పైన స్క్రిప్టింగ్ లో.
Scripting. Okay. Yes.
సో ఇక్కడ యూజర్ నేమ్ పరం, పాస్వర్డ్ పరంలో మీరు ఇచ్చిన టేబుల్ త్రీ ఇటరేషన్స్ వాల్యూస్ ఇక్కడ స్టోర్ అయిపోయాయి, రైట్?
Yes.
మీరు మళ్ళీ కిందికి వస్తే జోజో బీన్ 1, జోజో బీన్ 2 అనేది బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఉంది. అది
బై డిఫాల్ట్ అది అవును. మనం బై డిఫాల్ట్ అదే వాల్యూ టేబుల్స్ లో కూడా అదే పెట్టుకున్నాం కదా. సో యూ కెన్ just parameter file we need to open means just we can click on Control L is a shortcut. So it will open here. You can observe here. See, username is the default will be already will be there, Jojo, and here also password will be Bean.
ఓకే, ఐ మీన్ ఇది టేబుల్ లో ఉంది కదా సార్, బై డిఫాల్ట్ అది లేకుండా అది ఎలా రాదా?
By default
టేబుల్ లో మెన్షన్ చేయండి.
By default means without doing for the parameterization you are asking about.
ఐ మీన్ టేబుల్ లో ఆల్రెడీ పారామీటర్స్ ఇచ్చాము, టేబుల్ లో ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది అది.
Okay,
బట్ ఇంకా డిఫాల్ట్ అవసరం లేదు కదా మనకి.
but original value we need, right? That is the original values, right?
Okay.
Original values we need, definitely we need, right? Otherwise no need means we need to prepare for the data, some data. For example, my name is Kiran and my Kiran and password will be Kiran123. You can give for here Kiran123 password and username place directly you need to remove and you can give as a Kiran here.
Okay.
No problem. It is a login will be there, then it will successfully login and script will pass. Okay.
Okay.
I think everyone understand, or anyone have any doubts? Feel to ask, huh?
No, understand.
Okay, I'm